Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your system for a Directx update with simple checks and backups. Open Run, type DXDiag, and press Enter to open the Directx diagnostic tool. Wait for the tool to finish gathering information and focus on the System tab. Note the Directx version listed, like DirectX 12 Ultimate, and write it down for reference. Check Windows Update status and available disk space, ensuring at least 5 GB free. Create a system restore point and back up important files before proceeding. Use Windows Update as the primary method to update Directx components on Windows 11. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates immediately to fetch the latest components. Look for optional quality updates and optional driver updates and select them carefully. Accept available driver updates for your GPU manufacturer to ensure Directx features work properly. Start the download and allow installation to complete without interruption. Restart the PC after updates, finish installing to finalize Directx component changes and ensure stability. If Windows Update does not deliver the needed Directx updates, take advanced steps for completeness. Download and install the latest GPU drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel using the model-specific driver package. Optionally, download the Directx end-user runtimes, June 2010, installer to add legacy DirectX 9 and required DLLs for older titles. Run the downloaded installers with administrator privileges and follow prompts to complete installation. Reboot when prompted, then run DXDiag again and test a game or benchmark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.